Hello students, Miss Slyman here. Again, practicing with our GDC. This one says to use the x-intercept method, so that means I need to make my right-hand side equal to 0. So I'm going to come in and put in the first equation for y1. So y equals, I'm going to clear out everything that's there, negative 3.17, oops, just 17x plus 15.28, and then I'm going to subtract 5.23x, and I'm going to subtract 10.4 because I want to make the right hand side equal to 0. So I'm going to subtract both of those to the other side. They tell me my window. Now I want my smallest x to be negative 2 and my biggest x to be positive 2. That tells me my x-intercept must be somewhere between those two things. Negative 5. Oops. With those values, I'm just going to count by 1. Now I've got negative 5 to positive 5. Again, I'm going to count by 1. And let's look at the graph. Okay, there's my x-intercept. Maybe it looks like it's around 0.6 or so. I don't really know. So let's calc the 0. So I want to know where is the y value 0. For sure my left bound of 0, that makes sense. That's definitely on the left side. An x value of 1 is definitely on the right side. And my guess was that it was about 0.6. And 0.581 to 3 significant figures, so I was pretty close. All right. So let's go back and now test that with PolySimult. I should get the same answer. Let's make it bigger. So I'm going to do the same thing. Remember, with PolySimult, I also have to make it equal to 0. And this time I'm going to collect all my like terms. So apps, for me it's number 4. Any key, polynomial root finder, first order, I'm going to leave it with decimals, that's fine. Next. All right, now my x's are negative 3.71, and then I also subtracted 5.23 for my x's. So I've got a big negative number for my x's. My constants were the 15.28, and then I subtracted 10.4. That gives me the 4.88. And remember, PolySimult does that for me. And now I'm going to push solve. And I get, hopefully, the same answer. Ooh, those are not the same answers. Let's go back. I have a feeling that in my, so main menu and quit, but feeling in my y equals I did 3.17, not 3.71. All right, let's fix that. 7, 1, graph. Still around the same place. Calc, 0. Left side is 0, I agree. Right side is 1. And now my guess, 0.6 was my guess before. And there's the same value. All right, glad that I checked my answers there. All right, and I will see you back in class.